At the edge of the vineyard she smiles, my beloved, my sweet one. At the edge of the vineyard she smiles. Nuzayban, seat of the district governor, Ankara, the Sultan's capital. All my eyes are fixed on a beautiful young woman. I am sick lying in my bed. I went as far as Burgshala, then through Aleppo. I reached Greece and appeared before the authorities. My documents were tied together, they sent me to Istanbul. There was a hospital there, a noble doctor examined me. He said, poor soul, poor man, your pain is deep and severe. There is no cure for you except with the Almighty. Train and headed for Nuzayban. I got off in Kamishli. They spoke of Dr. Nefis, a doctor known for his stern ways. When he examined me, he said, poor soul, poor man, your pain is deep and severe. I went to the borderland, there they spoke of Melech, the faithful man. He understood the pain of the heart and searched within the Quran, turning page after page until he reached the verses of trust. He said, poor soul, poor man, your pain is deep and severe. He read the Quran for me. Then I went to the mosque, I opened the holy book, and what the book revealed was this: Nofa is your remedy. Nofa, Nofa, my Nofa, Nofa, my Nofa, you are a bloom diamond. Nofa, my Nofa, you are graceful in your beautiful dress. At sunset, sit beside me, give me a kiss. For your sake I would climb mountains, whether with a pickaxe or an axe. Nofa, my Nofa, have I only now discovered you? Nofa, my Nofa, have I only now discovered you? A girl preserved by God, round your bosom lies paradise. May God strike down the man who wins your heart. Nofa, Nofa, my Nofa, I miss